Hello, this is Gregory from Flyability with a video on how to get your drone unstuck. In some situations, Elios 2 can wedge itself into tight spaces or flip over on the ground. If this should happen, don't panic and remember these techniques for freeing the drone. The first step is to identify how and why you're stuck. Here, for example, a steel cable snagged the cage. This could be resolved by trying to slide the drone along the cable until it eventually untangled. The drone can also get stuck in areas that taper to a size smaller than the diameter of the cage. Also, in some cases, the drone can flip over if you ram it into a tight corner. If the drone is completely immobilized, then you can try to wiggle free by quickly moving all the sticks around. You can use manual thrust mode and sports mode to get more control authority, but be aware that this will allow you to accelerate to dangerous speeds once the drone is released. The same technique can be used if the drone is flipped over, but pay close attention to the sound of the propellers. If they're continuously turning at maximum RPM, then you risk overheating the motors. When this happens, a thermal throttling system should kick in, which gradually reduces their power and prevents them from completely burning out. But just to be safe, do not force the motors for more than 15 seconds. Remember that you can use the maintenance diagnostic panel to monitor the motor temperature during flight. Overheating the motors will reduce the ability of the drone to maneuver and wiggle free. So at some point, the only course of action is to disarm the drone, wait a few minutes for the motors to cool down, and try again. Sometimes the drone will roll over after disarming, which can be beneficial if it rolls free, but it can also cause a crash if the drone then goes on to roll down a high drop. These techniques for getting unstuck are not 100% reliable, so prevention is still the best cure. Identify critical areas during a recon flight and avoid them as best as you can. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you keep your drone safe.